That's a hand pay. That's a hand pay. That's got to be $3,000 or $4,000 right there. Right? First spin. That's the way we do it, right?
I know, I've been drinking on.
What do you think this is gonna pay? Yeah. What do you think this is gonna pay? 7,000? Let's see. 4,000. Get one more. Oh. Come on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right, here we go.
That's how much I played.
All right, let's re-trigger. Let's do that again. All right, finish strong here. Finish strong. There it is. Oh, it didn't connect. It didn't connect. $4,340. Woohoo!
That's how you sit down.